Well, hello guys, Tether Philpitts here, back with another video. And today, as you can tell from the quality of the footage, or you might not be able to, I have a new phone, finally. And yeah, it's a lot better than my old one. I mean, I had this iPhone 11 for 2 years beforehand. It was a good phone. But, you know, it began to become, the storage on it was way too, it was just way too small. It had way too small of a storage on it for me. So I needed something with a bit more storage. So I got, my new phone now is a iPhone 15 Pro Max. So in Titanic blue. It's quite a nice colour. So this video is just going to have a little bit of everything in it because I didn't really know what to film. But today we're going to be testing a couple of the smoke detectors on the board, and we're also going to be audio linking this EI208 carbon monoxide detector. So we're going to go on Audio Link on our trusty Audio Link app. Going to download alarm data. So here we go. Let's do this. Oh, for God's sake. Blimmin' thing. God, why is it doing this? Right. Finally. Let's view report of the alarm. So, this is the status report of the alarm. It is a EI208 alarm on for 4 years and 4 days. Sensor status okay. Let's go into this. So, that's cool. So, touch button activations 14 in the last 0.0 days because I've activated it a few times. Times alarm removed 1 in last time 0.2 days ago. Alarm type high CO, medium CO, low CO have had no events, so this alarm has never gone off. So there you go. That's that one done, and we'll test it. That's pretty cool. That worked really well. So, oh, my foot's gone fuzzy. God, that's horrible. Right, so next we're going to go to the board, and in fact we're going to turn these back on because I turned them off for a minute. So I could do Radio Link. So we're now going to test these on the button. Here we go. It's about to get loud from here on, so make sure you turn down your volume as always. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Cool. That worked well. And I'm not going to do them all on the test buttons, but... And then next, I'm going to activate this call point. In 3, 2, 1. gives us a chance to get the blimming key in before the alarms go off again. Let's get the key out. Come on, go up. There we are. That will tell all the alarms now. Everything's good. So now we're going to activate one of the alarms, and we're going to do that with smoke. So we're going to spray this smoke detector out. Here we go. There we are. That. There we are. That smoke detector is flipping amazing. Not even joking. That detector there is absolutely, that is a miracle. That smoke detector literally went off as soon as I sprayed it. I'm not even joking. The second I pulled that away, that went off. What a brilliant smoke detector that is. That is crazy, that is. I've never had a smoke detector react so quick. That is mental, that. So next, we are going to press one of the buttons on the detectors. So we're going to actually press them, but we're going to look at the radio link LEDs instead of the button. So I'm going to test this one. 3, 2, 1. So there you go. That was awesome, that. And let's press the button on this one. Okay, I don't know why that one wasn't making the others react, but that's a bit strange. It is a bit strange, that one, sometimes. Anyway, here we go with this one. Doesn't seem to be playing now, does it? Let's give that another go. Let's give it a second and give it another go. Let's give it another go. Come on. No, it's not playing for some reason. I don't know why. It don't seem to be playing now. Let's give it a test on those. Well, that seemed to react a bit weird. I'm not sure why, but it seemed to act a little bit odd then. So let's give this one a test on its own then. You can see the LED then. Here we go. Never mind flashing. It's pretty cool. Anyway, guys, I think that might possibly conclude it for there. So it's quite a short one, but I just thought I'd do a little video to update you guys, and yeah, I guess that's a video to update you guys that I got a new phone. So yeah, and I hope you all enjoyed it. And a shout out to all my subscribers. I'm just going to give a shout out to all my subscribers at this point, because all my subscribers are brilliant. You know, there's some subscribers that have been there, they've been watching for years and years at a time, and yeah, and ones that are just stuck with the channel. So I want to give a thank you to everyone that's stuck with the channel for so long, because now my channel has got like over 30,000 views as far as I'm aware now. So yeah, I just wanted to give a special thank you to, yeah, all my family, all my little family of subscribers, I guess I could call it. So like a little community. And in my whole YouTube time, I have gained over 32,000 views. So I want to thank you guys for that, because it means a huge lot to me. And as well to thank you to the guys that, everyone as well, that the guys that have subscribed, because I've now got 72 subscribers, which I never ever thought I was going to accumulate as many subscribers as that. The day I started YouTube, I didn't even have a subscriber. It took me forever to get one subscriber. So having 72 other subscribers is a big thing. And, you know, thank you guys for all subscribing and watching and being kind in the comments. And yeah, in August 2026, the Tether Phil Pips channel will be 3 years old. So we will do a little celebration, and yeah, let's see at some point. It would be nice to get to 100 subscribers before Christmas. So let's get to 100 subscribers before Christmas. Anybody hasn't subscribed, subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my content. And if you guys think I should do any other smoke detector videos, you know, maybe not these, maybe some of my battery powered smoke detectors, leave a comment in the comment section, because I can always test different detectors. I can test some of my ACO heat alarms. I've got ACO EI103C heat alarms, battery operated ones that I could test if you guys want. So I could test any of my alarms if you want to see them. But yeah, and also there won't be any more videos with the BRK86REC, and I'll explain why that is in another video. So there's just some problems there, because the RAC, the BRK86REC is not, well, basically goes into constant alarm now, so you can't video it without it just going off. So I am looking out to see if I can buy another one, but if I can buy another one, I'll absolutely make a video on it. So with that being said, I'm off. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, like, subscribe, favourite, comment in the comment section. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. See you later.